Come and see, I will show you how to unlock the TSMI flying ball directly. But let's take a look at the roar demonstration first.
Do you know how to make the flying ball float above your upper palm? It's as if you have magic in your hand. The flying ball demonstrates the technique of levitation, and the flying ball needs to be kept vertical in the palm of the hand. Vertical to the palm of your hand, the fly ball will naturally float when you let go of it. How to make the TSMI fly ball turn around? Let me teach you next. Holding the flying ball in your hand, lean it back 10 to 30 degrees and then lean it to the right or left. Push the flying ball forward. It will fly according to the direction inclined to the right, and then turn it and spin it according